What's up everybody, Matt Maran here, and this is the gorgeous Porsche 911 Speedster that debuted here in New York in its final production trim. It's been shown a few other places before, but now we have a few more details. So we know it runs the 4-liter flat 6 from the GT3, but it has individual throttle bodies from the GT3R race car for even better throttle response. 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds with the 6-speed manual only. The frunk, that rear deck lid there, and the fenders are all carbon fiber composite, and they really focus on making these very lightweight. And so the total weight's 3,230 pounds, with air conditioning even being an option. So a very driver-focused vehicle, and they're only making 1,948 of these. They're going to be arriving in dealers late in 2019, and the price, $275,750. You can also get a Heritage Edition that'll probably make that even more expensive, but I'm sure they're going to be only going up in value, and it's definitely the one that I would pick out of the 911 range. It's just amazing. And so yeah, anyway, awesome to see that here in person in New York. It is a stunning car to look at. But anyway, thank you guys very much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.